Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen using CapCut on PC, step by step. So let's get started. Open CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Import your main background video or image first. This is what will show behind the green screen. Now drag and drop your green screen video into the timeline, but make sure it's on a track above the background clip. Click on the green screen clip to select it, then go to the right-hand panel and look for Remove BG. Under Cutout, enable Chroma Key. Use the eyedropper tool and click on the green area in your video. CapCut will instantly remove the green background. You can fine-tune the effect by adjusting the intensity and shadow sliders until it looks clean. And that's it. You've now successfully removed the green screen using CapCut on PC. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick editing tutorials. Thanks for watching 1 Minute IT Shot, where tech fixes take less than a minute.